Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, we will be learning how to mute calls on WhatsApp. To mute calls on WhatsApp, open up the WhatsApp application on your smartphone first and make sure that you're logged in. Now go ahead and find the chat with the person or group whose call you want to mute, and then go ahead and press and hold the contact from the chat thread. Now in the pop-up at the bottom, go ahead and look for the mute button and tap on it. Select the duration for how long you want to mute notifications or chats or calls for this person. Select between 8 hours, 1 week, or always, depending upon your app version. After choosing one of these options, you will then be able to mute the contact. WhatsApp does not have a direct mute calls only option. However, muting notifications will mute all the notifications from that chat, including call alerts. So that's how you can easily mute WhatsApp call notifications from specific contact or groups. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.